Take 6.
Hello, my name is Johnny. I'm the main coder on Team 3D and the only human. This is Dash. Come on, Dash, don't be shy.
Hi, my name is Dash. I'm when I'm little.
Dash is also the main robot that we use in the videos in Team 3D. This is his younger brother, Dot. Dot plays a big role in decorations on the mat.
Hi, I'm Dot. I'm also blue, but I'm much cuter than my older brother Dash. That's not true. I'm blue. I think you're good. You can think what you want. The rest of you can be judges.
Guys.
They know I'm cuter.
Guys, we're on video.
Oh, are we on?
Yes! Okay. So, hello. My name is Johnny, this is Dash, and this is Dot. Together we make Team 3D. In Mission 1, we had to test out whether Dash works or not by having him do different eye patterns, changing colors, and moving around. He had to do all this and navigate his way through with a hat on his head. The hat that we built used 5 11-ounce cups. This mission only took us 1 day to make, for on the first day we were able to successfully make the code that tests Dash out and navigate through the cups. We were also able to decorate the mat and film it. So, one thing I would like to change if I did it again was, on this first mission, I did it on the homemade mat that we had. So, it was kind of raggedy, and the cups kept falling off at the creases in that cardboard mat. That's why I made my mom get a new mat. So, all in all, at first I used 15 centimeters of tape to keep the cups together, but I realized that it still wasn't strong enough, even with the new mat. So, instead I upped it to 28 centimeters, and it was able to hold still. In the end, I did not get the bonus points from extra cups. I was only able to get 5. However, my mat was successful the second time, and I was able to film it with the decorations. The next mission our team did was Mission 2, the trading tree. To build the trading tree, I used parts of a board game, and I also used toilet paper rolls. To build the trap, I used a box and an arrow, but I couldn't find the arrows. This is a replacement for the presentation. It would work like this. Now, Dash is stuck. On the day 1, I was able to decorate the mat and test out the codes, with Dash chomping and Dash getting stuck. On day 2, I was able to film. If I redid this, then I would have wanted to duct tape down the logs in the video instead of just using normal tapes. They wouldn't keep rolling away. The next mission we did is Mission 3. It took us 3 days to complete this. On day 1, I was able to build the whole cardboard city with big boxes like this and this. I also used many other things like former chairs of my old dolls and this kind of wrap as tools made of cardboard. I was also able to complete the code on day 1. On day 2, I didn't have that much time, so I was able to film the attachment and build it. On day 3, I did the rest of the videos, and I was ready to turn them in. My cardboard city was made all from recyclable cardboard around the house. So I was able to finish all 4 videos in the building, the mech, and the attachment, and I got all of the bonus points. Unfortunately though, the first time I built the mech and the buildings, they weren't fit to scale. They were much too big, so I had to rebuild them. The next mission we did was Mission 4. It took me 4 days to complete this mission. On day 1, I was able to finish the code that allowed Dash to go up the bridge after I gave him enough encoding rules. On day 2, I planned to build the bridge. At first, my thought of the bridge would be here on this side, and on the other side, there would be toilet paper rolls, so Dash would be able to go under. In the end, I realized that if I did have it so tall so Dash could go under, then when he goes up, he started to go backwards in my first design. My second design, he was low, so Dash wouldn't be able to go through. However, it was still hollow. That didn't work either, because when he went to the middle, the whole bridge started to sink down. On my last and final design, which I completed on day 3, I used different cardboard boxes, and I cut a cardboard box in half on each side. To make sure it was smooth enough for Dash's wheels not to get stuck, I made my mom get wallpaper, which I then covered over the bridge. In the decorations, I used different stuff like small spa paddles and lays, and even water, which I used as yarn to finish decorating. With my new solid bridge, Dash was able to go over the bridge successfully, and the code worked. If I did this again, then I really would have wanted to try different and more designs of the bridge with Dash able to go under. I was not able to get all the points, but I feel like I did a really good job. The last mission we did to get invited into the invitational round was Mission 5. In Mission 5, we had to have Dash go through a series of gates. First, he would... By the way, I'm using Dot because he's smaller and easier. First, he would go through the pillar maze, where he pushes different pillars out of the way and comes back. The next thing would be the gate. I came up with the great idea of using magnets because it was used in an episode of a TV show I used to watch. So as Dash would approach it, he would go forward, the magnets would connect, he would open the gate using the magnets, and go through. This was really hard to do because sometimes Dash was not able to go straight on point, and he would miss the magnet. One of the hardest parts in this mission was the theme of having it being lost. We had different maps all over the set, and it was hard to center point the robots, so in the end, they wouldn't be aligned and then miss the magnet. I was able to successfully navigate through the maze, and after 10 takes, I was able to get the pulley system down. I was really pleased with my pulley system and all of the decorations, for I used different vases, flowers, and even globes. If you're watching this, you probably know I got invited to the final mission. In the final mission, part 1, we had 3 landmarks Dash had to go to. Landmark 1, Landmark 2, and Landmark 3. On 2 days, day 1 and day 2, I tried to map out the different routes Dash could take to get all of the bonus points and not taking up too many energy cells. Every 30 centimeters he went would take up 1 energy cell. On day 3, I implemented these different angles into functions, which I then used in my code. I also watched 2 episodes of Craig of the Creek to find out what I thought my landmarks should be. On day 4, I decorated the map with and created a theme of different achievements, including chess and kung fu trophies and medals, trophies of poetry competitions, running, on day 5, I finished decorating the map with different habitats and having different portals to go into different worlds of the Lost Realm. On day 6, I finally finished all of the videos. The way I made it. The way I made Dash go with the angles was first turning 60 degrees, moving forward 30 centimeters, taking off one eyelight, moving forward another 30, taking off another eyelight. This time turning 50 degrees and doing the same process. Turning 120 degrees, doing the same process. Turning 30 degrees again, doing the same process. And then turning all the way back, facing forward. This was a really fun mission. If I do this again though, then I would want to change the labels that I put on the different landmarks because Dash's wheels kept getting stuck on the label on landmark 2. This is the second part of the final mission. It took me 7 days to complete this, even though I planned for 6 days. On day 1, I started by setting up booby traps on the map and decorated the mat. This is also the time where I built this. This is a box that was used to deliver my mat, and we covered it in trash bags and wallpaper. On day 2, I wanted to finish designing and building the attachment. The real attachment was much cooler, but this is a makeshift. On day 3, I wanted to build the code for Dash to successfully throw the ball into the cup. And on day 4, I wanted to come up with a storyline and film videos. It ended up taking me 2 days to successfully build the attachment because I tried many different ways. This is how it worked. Even though that didn't go into the cup, it did in the video. I was able to successfully use the attachment to throw the ball into the cup. And I really loved the storyline that I made. What was challenging was sometimes the attachment, the rubber bands would wear off and it would not go straight into the cup. I would misalign the cup or I'd misalign Dash and it wouldn't end up working. I did try to shoot the ball from C5 and C7 to get the bonus points, but unfortunately I was not able to.
Thank you so much for hosting another amazing competition this year.
It was really fun to code, build, and design everything our team needed in the missions. I loved the story plot and the partnership with Craig of the Creek.
We really enjoyed the competition this year. It was one we'll never forget.
It was really challenging though to finish the final mission with coronavirus around, with work from my online classes piling up, but I didn't quit. This was our way of fighting COVID-19. We really hope you enjoyed all of our videos in these missions, and please help us win.